Hey girl, hey, welcome to PJ's World. And on today with Cooking with PJ, I'm making some lasagna. This is gonna be so good. It's gonna be nice and cheesy. You know, noodles just right, you know, because sometimes you can overcook the noodles. Well, I never make that mistake. That's for rookies. So we're gonna get started. I'm gonna show you what you'll need. Of course, you need your ground beef. I'm using 2 pounds of ground beef. You need your lasagna. Okay, so make sure you get the pasta. Can't make it without it. Okay, so you'll need 1 onion, a few mushrooms, and dice those up. You also need your parsley flakes. That's optional. You don't have to have that, but if you want it nice and cute, then get you some. Ricotta cheese. Here's your ricotta cheese. Some salt, some black pepper. I just use the Prego sauce, traditional one. You need 2 of those. Some mild cheddar, some Gouda cheese, and of course some mozzarella. Push those down in there. Let these boil for a few minutes. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 while you wait on these. Alright, and I have 2 pounds. Add your veggies in there with it, whatever you choose to use. You can add bell peppers in here too. It's up to you. But I like a little onions and mushrooms in mine. So right now you can go ahead and add you some salt and pepper in here. So just a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper. And obviously when we do our taste test, you know, if we need to add a little more of this, a little more of that, we'll do that at the end. All right, so just keep stirring it around, cook it on a medium heat. I'll come back to y'all once this is done browning, okay? Okay, so now our beef, as you can see, is all brown, okay? Nice and brown like me. Now you're just gonna pour your Prego salsa in there. Not salsa, Lord. Now you're just gonna pour your sauce in there. Okay, I have 2. There's my other one. Okay, get your money worth. And you're just gonna mix that in, warm this up. Okay, I'm gonna add me a little parsley in here. Okay, I'm gonna add a few sprinkles. And do a taste test and see if you need to add in a little thing. I feel like having some sweet lasagna, so I'm gonna add a little sugar, not too much. Now that's optional, that's up to you if you want it sweet or not. Okay, as you can see, I have finished the noodles, so the noodles are done, and I put them in here so they can cool down. Okay, so we're gonna leave those in there. Okay, so now y'all, it's time to go ahead and put this little lasagna together. Make it all cute, okay? Okay, so now we're about to get started. Y'all want some wine? Here. Get your little sip. All right, so the first layer, of course, is going to be the meat. Okay, so you're just gonna put you a little layer of meat down. Just like this. Y'all following me? Oh, it smells so good, y'all.
Ooh, it smells so good, y'all.
Y'all hear Brandon back there. I think he just be want to speak to y'all. But instead of speaking, he try to play it off and just say something.
He's about to speak to y'all.
I'm feeling so good. I've been drinking wine. Okay, so this is our meat. So we have 1 layer of that. Next, you're going to go ahead and put your cheese. Okay, so this is our first layer. All right. So this is some cheddar cheese. Put you a little of that. Okay, here's some Gouda cheese. And use whatever cheeses you like. These are the cheeses that I like in my lasagna. I'm sure you'll like them too. But, you know, if you want to add a different cheese, you know, do you, hun? Okay, that's your Gouda cheese. And then a little bit of mozzarella cheese. Okay. And next, that's when you add your lasagna. Here we go. There's 1. And you're just going to spread them out. Okay. So next you're going to add you some ricotta cheese and spread it on top of those noodles. That's what we have. So all you're going to do is just repeat what you just did before this, okay? Now we're just going to add some more meat, then some more cheese on top, and then noodles, and then ricotta cheese, okay? You just do that until you run out of food. Okay, so I'll finish this up. Somebody blowing me up, y'all. Who it is? So put your meat and your cheese on top. That should be your last layer. go ahead and put this in the oven, and I'll be back once it's ready to come out, y'all. Okay, y'all, so I'm back, and the lasagna is done, and it's looking so doggone good, baby. Let me show you what it looks like. Ooh, look at that. Look at it. Look at that lasagna, honey. Looks so good. So, of course, you know we have to do a taste test because that's what we do. So let me put me a little on the plate so y'all can see what it's working with. Hold on. Here we go. Let me scoop me some out, honey. It's so cheesy and good looking. Woo! And after you have it in the oven, you're gonna let it bake for about 30 minutes. About 30 to 40 minutes you're gonna let it bake. After that, then you'll put it on broil for probably maybe like 8 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes. Put it on broil, make sure it's nice and brown on the top. So it's looking all good and stuff. And I like a little sour cream with my lasagna, so I'm gonna add me a little sour cream before I do this taste test with y'all. Okay, y'all see that? Ooh, look at that. Yes! Okay, so here we go. Let's see what our lasagna hit on, honey. I know it's good, but y'all don't. But you know, I already know what it's gonna taste like. And that's delicious, honey. I know I ain't gotta say it, but y'all, it's so good. Dang. It don't make no sense to cook this good. You know what I'm saying? There really ought to be a crime or something. How good the lasagna is. It's so good, y'all. This is quick. This is easy. Make this for you. Make this for you and your friends, you and your man, you and your woman. Whatever, you know. They're gonna love it though. That's what I can tell you. Thank you for watching if you're still on this video. I appreciate it. If you're looking at this on Facebook, make sure you like and follow this page. If you're looking at it on YouTube, make sure you like and subscribe. Comment, tell me what you think. If you try this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. It's so good, honey. And it's easy, it's quick, good little meal. You'll have a few leftovers for a few days, you know, depending on how big your family is. You know, I have a few leftovers with this, but you know, make you some, okay? So as always, thank you for watching, and girl, bye.